Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to convert .py files into .pdf files for easy reading and accessibility. You can follow the same steps for mobile also. So you can choose any browser of your choosing. I'm choosing Firefox. You just have to type convert py to pdf in Google, and then you will be shown a bunch of options. After you see these options, two of these links work very nicely. You can open either of them. As you can see, this link has a lot of customization and seems a little complicated, so you can go to the other one. In this, all you have to do is upload your file wherever it is saved, and it'll show your code. After that, you have to click on code to PDF. You can just ignore these options which are below it and just click download, and your file will be downloaded. Thank you. Hope that helped. If it helped you, please click like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.